Hello friends, the proper command, how it will be helpful in the text writing. So the whatever characters you are given, capital or small, and sometimes you will be given more space between the between the words, so that all can be arranged in the proper way. So in the first example I have given SL as a capital, R as a small, and metallics as a small characters. You can see that one result what it is showing is equal to proper. In the bracket I have given the trim, and under open bracket and F3 the cell, the content of that cell address I have given, and enter. Now you can see that detailed record. So SLR metallics, the starting character of that word will be in the capital format. So like that, down in the second line also an example I have given, and in third line also I have given training and development department. There I have given the training as small character, and A is a capital, and development I have given the D is a small, and other things are capital. Now if I given is equal to proper and bracket trim and F6 and bracket O closes, so it was displayed in the perfect manner. The starting character of each word is displayed in the capital characters, and it is removed unwanted spaces, and it is looking very nicely. So like that I given another example also. Here SLR I given a lot of spaces I given in between the two words. Now it has rearranging that one. You can see here proper I given in the bracket, trim and open, F9, and after that I have closed that open brackets. Now I will give the enter. So now see, it's beautifully displaying SLR and one space and metallics. So like that I given another one example there. You can go through that. So I given a lot of space in between the two words, and now it is displaying the is equal to proper open bracket, trim, and again open bracket. In that function you have to give the F10 and close that both. Thanks for watching video.